Hello and welcome back. Today, I did something crazy. I have to admit, I bought something on eBay. It was a big commitment for me because I love eBay. I always buy stuff on eBay, so I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, today we're back in the corner. I think that's what we're going to start calling this because it's a corner, and we like coming up here. So we're back here, and I'm going to show you what I found on eBay. And it came in a very large box, and let's see if we can just hoist it up on the table here and turn it around for you. Nice big box, and it says electronics, and you have to keep it upright, so that's a good thing. When you first open it, there's another box. Intriguing. So, yep, we got another box, and let me do a point of view thing here. Oh, that's the keyboard. That didn't come with it. I snuck that in there. Oh my gosh, we have more boxes. Hey, look, there it is. It's an iMac. We bought an iMac. Yay! So now that we all calmed down to the realization that it was packed in a Home Depot box, we can take the thingy out. So I'm gonna take all these other boxes out. This is a tall box, and I think woo! What a beauty! Look at that thing. Don't forget your power cable. So, let's get down there. Let's try and put that under the table there, so you can see New York and stuff. Other than that, we have a beautiful ancient iMac, and put that keyboard down there. Basically, we have this keyboard, and apparently they used to put USB ports on the back of the keyboard. So you have two USB ports here. If we turn it around, we have 3 more. So we have 5 total USB ports on this thing, and that is more than any of the new Apple computers can say for themselves. In the back, you have this beautiful stand. I actually don't believe that this came with it. I need to clean this thing up. So plug your power cord in through here. I think, somewhere. Yep, there we go. Maybe. Try and plug it in there. There we go. And, let's see if it turns on. We gotta plug in our keyboard, don't we? Okay. Good angle there. Where's my plug? So, push the power button on the back here. See the light here? That is the most amazing noise. I love that noise. Here, I'm going to turn it off just to hear it again. Anyways, while it's turning off, I actually bought this so that we can continue our CrapBook Shrek Pod video, because I ruined the other one on accident. My fault. So if you haven't checked out that video, please go check it out now. It's going to be up over there. And come back to the next video, which is going to launch next week on Friday, like always. It's going to be about the continuation of the CrapBook Shrek Pod. And thank you again to Dank Pods, because he made the first Shrek Pod, and it is just so amazing. We're going to try and make a CrapMac iMac thingy. So, stay tuned for that. Now, let's hear that noise again. Ready? 3, 2. Ooh, love it. That's awesome. Okay, so while we're waiting for it to turn on, we're just going to wait. See the Apple logo there? Can you see that? Is it focused on? Alright, there we go. I just realized my camera angle was a bit wonky and you couldn't see anything on the ground. This was the keyboard that I plugged in, and the power cord is running off to who knows where. But it's probably not bright enough for you guys to see. I'm going to turn on the screen capture in a minute, but it's an old looking OS X experience. I think we have leopard on here. Snow leopard. Here, let's find out. I am using this as my mouse because I couldn't find a mouse, but let's see. About this Mac. So it is 10.6.3. So yes, it is Mac OS X 10.6.3. And we have 2.5 gigabytes of RAM on here. A 2 gigahertz Intel Core 2 Duo. And the last copyright date on here is 2010. 2010? That's 10 years ago. Wow. It's been a while. What else do we got in here? Let's see how big our hard drive is. Moving around here. Here, let's see. Boop, 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 boop. I think it's in about this Mac. Startup disk. I think it's been modified to have a 250 gigabyte drive. So that's sweet. Now, let me just say, typing on this keyboard, very satisfying. You got a lot of click travel in there. And I think it's amazing how it's literally clear. I don't know if this actually came with this when it was sold, but I got it now anyways. So, it's a cool, clear keyboard that has some cool curve to it. Let's see what we can find here. I'm kind of bending around here. Let's try going to YouTube. See if we can look at my channel. Alright. Okay, it popped up pretty quick. It's connected to the Wi-Fi, so we're all good. Safari can't open the page. Interesting. Let me see what I can do. Alright, so I could not get the screen capture to work on here, but we did get YouTube to load up, and I searched up Smarties in the Microwaves, and that's a video on my channel. And it's kind of a weird pairing up here, because we have super fast internet and a super old iMac, so saying we need to update our browser, that's probably why it's not playing, but I'm still going to try and reload anyways. See what happens. Look at how old that looks. We have an international Subway taste test by Good Mythical Morning. Interesting. I'm not even logged in up here. YouTube logo won't even load all the way up here, but it loads up in here, so interesting. So, yeah, I don't think our browser supports the playing a video, but you can see how the old version of YouTube looked like, so that's fun. But not least, why not visit Apple's very own website, the company that created this amazing computer. Loading, 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 loading. Look at that, look at that. Are you gonna load? Look at that. Weird camera up there. Still loading. Oh, there we go. Holy crap, it doesn't even display correctly on here. What the heck is going on? Focus. Having problems here. Anyways, you can see what Apple's website looks like. It doesn't even look the same because none of the links are showing up right, and the search bar's up there, if you can see that. It's all squashed in. Kind of weird looking. But the bar down here basically looks the same, and everything else is pretty normal. It's just new websites and stuff won't load on here, so kind of depressing. So overall, that was kind of depressing because we couldn't watch YouTube, but we do have a super drive on here, so we can watch Shrek, and I think we will be when we finish the CrapMac. So stay tuned for that, and please like this video if you liked it, because obviously you like it, you want to give it a like. If you haven't seen me before, maybe go check out my other videos, and if you liked it enough, go ahead and click subscribe, please. Please. Please do it. I don't care. Anyways, that's it for today, and I guess I'll catch you next Friday.